10 legit side hustle websites that can pay you daily. 1. GigWalk. Earn money by completing small tasks in your area, like taking photos or checking product displays. You can make anywhere from $25 to $100 per task, depending on complexity and location. 2. Omni Interactions. Work from home as a customer service agent for various companies on a flexible schedule. Average pay ranges from $14 to $20 per hour based on the project. 3. TaskRabbit. Get paid to help people with local tasks like moving, cleaning, or furniture assembly. You can earn $15 to $25 per hour depending on your skills and city. 4. JumpTask. Complete simple online tasks like surveys, app downloads, or testing and get paid in crypto. Earnings range from 10 cents to $5 per task, with instant crypto payouts. 5. Field Agent. Use your phone to complete quick tasks in stores, such as taking photos or checking prices. Each task pays around $3 to $20, and most take just a few minutes. 6. Brandbee. Watch ads or do small promotional tasks for brands and earn small payments. Users typically earn 10 cents to $3 per task. Best for casual side income? 7. Fat Llama. Rent out items like cameras, drones, or electronics to people in your area. You can earn $20 to $150 per item per day, depending on demand. 8. Daily Transcription. Transcribe audio and video files remotely in fields like media or law. Pay is typically 75 cents to $1.10 per audio minute, or $15 to $25 per hour. 9. ClearVoice. Connects freelance writers with brands for content projects like blog posts, white papers, and more. Writers typically earn or $35 to $200 per piece, depending on experience and project complexity. 10. Foap. Sell your smartphone photos to brands or enter paid photo missions. Each photo sold earns $5, 50-50 split, with missions offering up to $100.